Good afternoon. My name is Ben Lampi, Resinous Coating Product Manager here at LATICRETE. I'm excited to announce the expansion of the SPARTACOTE product line. We have 14 new epoxy urethane products that we're introducing, each manufactured to the highest standards you've come to expect from both LATICRETE and SPARTACOTE. These new products can either be used standalone to create unique systems or combined with existing SPARTACOTE products to create a greater range of systems. One of the unique things about these is that we can tailor the systems to meet the needs of any space. Included in this are products not only for floor systems, but also products that can be used for cove systems and wall systems. They provide low VOC, low odor, as well as high chemical resistance, excellent stain resistance, and great durability. To complement the expansion of the SPARTACOTE line, we're launching a new project estimator tool on our website. It allows for easy ordering as well as estimation of the product needed, and a one-step option to order online. It can be found on our website at LATICRETE.com. As always, our commitment remains to providing the highest quality material, prompt deliveries, and great customer service. For more information on individual items, visit our website at LATICRETE.com.